Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. And first of all, look at this view. We're doing something a little different today. We're gonna head up to Hoodoo, do some autocross with the little green S10, the green bean. I don't know if you guys have seen this on the channel once before. I've kind of been working on it off camera. I wasn't sure how you guys would take it. Wasn't sure how you guys would accept the little truck, but been doing some work to it, make it handle better. Gonna go up to Hoodoo and do some autocross. It should be a pretty fun day to do this. Gonna get a baseline on it, change the rear leaf springs, put some Hotchkiss Fox shocks on it that I took off of a Chevelle. Actually, if you can see it, that Chevelle. We had a Hotchkiss suspension setup on it, and ironically enough, the front and rear shocks fit perfect on an S10. So have single adjustable Foxes on the front and back of this truck. Cut the coils down the front. So we'll see how that goes. Got some sticky sinuses, whatever the hell that is. Anuses, that's what I call them. But anyway, gonna run with these guys today. Got a few friends with us today. My dad, Chevelle, he might not run that car. Tony's got a 55 Bel Air. That car is really cool. It's on a Speed Tech torque arm chassis. Really nice car. They autocross that car. And then Kyle behind us has a 56 Bel Air on Speed Tech's IRS chassis. So those will be fun to watch. So Kevin's back there too. He's got a little Lexus IS 300. His S10 is being built right now, being worked on. So he's got a little day car that he's gonna beat on. But yeah, we're gonna head up to Hoodoo. I do believe this event's run by Emerald Valley Sports Car Club or something like that, but it should be a good time. And when we get there, I'll show you guys as much as I can. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy the ride.
E92 M3 58 1 2 3 58 1 2 3 for the M3 vert. Solid first run. Top down for cool points and weight distribution. Center of gravity, maybe. Oh, aero, it's terrible. But
Driver ready?
yes, the mosquitoes, I think that they came out for a bit. Also looks really good on the bronze with the knockoff type wheel. Convertible, followed up by line with a 62, 266. Somewhere, I'm not sure. You gotta slow down a bit. Java, the V8 M3, 56 152, 56 152, no help, but maintains first place in F Street. Goodness, come up to the timing, or the announcer area, see Alicia, to get a raffle ticket and see if you want to, or if you can win a free season of autocross. How cool is that? Brandon through finish with a 61-347.
Well guys, I was just in there editing this video and I realized I completely botched anything. Didn't do an outro, didn't do anything like that. It was a great time. Started the day, first run with 65.5, ended with 61.3. Given it's the first time this thing's ever done anything like that, first time I've ever done anything like that. There's more to come with this. The autocross stuff. And, well, just racing it in general. I would like to, to see where I can take this thing. That's not to say that this guy right here is going to the wayside, because we have a lot to do with that. But this was a fun weekend. Complete change of direction. Complete change of anything I've ever done. So I wanted to bring you guys along, and let me know what you guys think about it. If you want to see more, I'd love to show you more, love to do more, and well, basically just take you along with the process and the progress and what we're gonna do with this thing, because I don't think we're done. But I digress. I know it's been a long time. Thank you guys as always, and we'll see you on the next one.